Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your car and phone are ready. First, confirm your Uconnect unit lists Apple CarPlay and put the vehicle in park. Next, on your iPhone, enable Siri, Bluetooth, and the CarPlay option in settings so the system can be detected. Keep a certified Lightning cable handy for the most reliable wired connection. If your Uconnect supports wireless, ensure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active on the phone. Once done, you're ready to initiate the connection from either device. You now execute the connection. For a wired link, plug your Lightning cable into the iPhone and the vehicle's USB port marked for phones. The Uconnect screen should show a CarPlay option. For wireless CarPlay, pair your phone via Bluetooth first, then accept the Wi-Fi handoff prompt so CarPlay can stream, match any on-screen codes. After selecting Apple CarPlay on the Uconnect display, make sure you tap Allow or Trust on the iPhone. That authorizes app access and audio routing for navigation and calls. Finish by testing core functions. Ask Siri to navigate, play audio, or call a contact so you confirm voice and touchscreen controls work. Make sure steering wheel voice and track buttons control CarPlay features. If you want quicker access later, customize the app layout in iPhone settings under CarPlay. If the system won't connect, one key troubleshooting step is to restart both the iPhone and Uconnect. Check for iOS and Uconnect updates, and swap to a known good Apple cable. That fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.